Now, this putaway control indicator will search for such sequence in the configuration, and the search sequence will search for the storage types. And in storage types, we have storage bins which are empty. System will propose the empty bin as per the sort sequence. This is how this putaway control indicator will work in this scenario. And in the last class, we discussed on one more thing, okay? That is specify storage type search sequence for putaway. Up to here we discussed. This also we discussed. A scenario. I'm speaking about a scenario. Specify storage type search sequence for putaway. If I go to my warehouse, here I can see putaway control indicator I maintain, and also I maintained the party intended to dispose, and also I maintained the stock type. And also I maintained the stock type here. So I'm going to delete this one. Is not required. I maintain test 1, 2, 3 here. Just save it, guys. I'm asking you a question now. Now save it, this one. I have now only one, okay. Only one entry. That entry is the putaway control indicator and the party entitled to dispose. And this will be maintaining for STK1 search sequence. Now, if I go to optimize, in my warehouse, I'm going to RKWH. Here, putaway strategies, warehouse process type. Putaway strategies, warehouse process type plus quantity classification, it is there here. Suppose I have only one now. Putaway strategies plus warehouse process type. Now in this case, the configuration will work or not? A simple question. When I create a warehouse task, system will propose empty bin or not. Putaway strategies will get activated or not.
I think it will work because we have selected putaway strategy indicator here.
Okay, let me see.
You have to select party dispose, entity dispose.
Exactly. You need to select the party intent to dispose.
And why there was two line here now?
Where?
Here only two RKWH sequence 1 and 2 was there. You deleted one sequence, right?
It was maintained. I am not sure who, but it was maintained. So that's why I deleted that one. But I can maintain one more thing. That's not a big problem. I'm going to create one more RKWH sequence 2. I'm going to create putaway strategies plus party entitled dispose. Okay. Now it will work. as per the part A entitled to dispose, or else only with the Putaway strategies. But it depends on this configuration. It always depends on this configuration. Which one will work? Okay. Here we have maintained RKWH, Putaway control indicator, and part A entitled dispose. Two are there. So system always search for these two to find the STQ1 such sequence. Got it?
Yes.
Got the point?
Yes.
System will take these two combination to find the STQ1 such sequence. Where exactly it will find the combination, guys? In the inbound delivery, it will find this combination. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. This one we discussed on the last class, and I showed you also how it will work. Now, in Putaway strategies, a different scenario we are going to discuss. I have two materials, guys, or else I have one material. It's good if I take two materials, but that's fine. I have one material procuring 100 quantity, and I have the same material procuring 500 quantity in two different line items. In two different line items, I am procuring 100 quantity and I am procuring 500 quantity. Now, this 100 quantity should go to this 100 quantity should go to okay. I'm receiving in the truck 100 quantity and 500 quantity of the same material I'm receiving. Now, this 100 quantity should go to RK01. This 500 quantity should go to QA01. QA01 means quality, guys. This 500 quantity should go to quality. 100 quantity should go to RK01. Stock type what, guys, for quality? What is the stock type for quality?
QQ.
QQ. What is the stock type for this one?
F1, F2.
F1, F2.
Yeah.
You told QQ, right? That is called non-dependent stock types. Normally Q3, Q4 are the stock types. Okay. Now, 100, 500. Same material. I'm going to create. First thing is like I need to maintain some strategies now. I need to have one storage type. I need to have one put away control indicator. Because so far I have only strategies to find only this one. I don't have strategies to find quality. First of all, I don't have storage types only. I don't have storage types for quality. Right?
Yes.
For that, I need to create the storage types. First thing is like Go to master data, define storage types. So what is very important here, guys? Here, if you see, non-dependent stock type is there here. Non-dependent stock type. What I need to select here, non-dependent stock types, I have told you now only.
Q3,
Three.
Q3 or Q.
Sorry. It's a QQ.
Q.
Okay. QQ is a non-dependent stock type, which is a quality one. Now, once you create storage type, what is the next thing you need to create, guys? You created storage types. What is the next thing you need to create?
Pin.
Storage section or bin.
Storage bin. Okay, the bin has been created. Once you create bin, what is the next step you should do?
Uh,
Hmm?
bin sorting. We have to do.
Bin sorting. Now, can I go ahead and create such sequence now? We created storage type, we created storage bin sorting also done. Okay, storage type configuration is done now. Now, for the next step, we need to find a search sequence. We need to create a search sequence to find the quality storage types. Search sequence to find the quality storage type. This should go to quality, right? Automatically, this product should find a quality. Now, go to goods receipt, strategies, storage type search. Define storage type search sequence for Putaway. Now here, oh, I created this also. Okay, not a problem. Already I have search sequence. QSER is the search sequence. QSER is the search sequence for Putaway. Sorry, to find the respective storage types. Now, for the search sequence, storage type assigned or not will check. It was assigned. Can you see? RKWH, QSER, QUAL. But this one I teach it in the last class.
Quality no. System got error.
Ah, Okay, anyways, not a problem. So in my warehouse, I have search sequence QS here. For QS here, I have storage type assigned QUAL. Okay, now we'll check for the put away control indicator. RKWH warehouse, I have only one put away control indicator. And I have one more put away control indicator that is called QPUT. And in that we have QSCR is such sequence assigned already. Q put away control indicator I created and I assign QSCR such sequence. This is also good. Now specify storage type such sequence for put away. If you go here, this is very important, guys. You should tell me now. What I need to keep, guys, if I want to work with quality, what I need to keep now here?
We need to, in quality class, we need to assign the indicator.
Quantity classification. What is quantity classification?
No, not that one. The next to that, the stock type of thing.
Quantity classification, if you have multiple unit of measurements, those things we have to activate the quantity classification.
Type we need to.
I thought that is
Stock
quality.
type. Stock type is very important. Stock type.
do.
Because we are going based on the stock type here. Now I'll copy this one, put away control indicator and stock type as, I'll take it as Q3. And search sequence is what, guys? Search sequence is
USCR.
QSER search sequence. So whenever system finds put away control indicator and pertain data to dispose and Q3, system automatically will find the QSCR search sequence.
So Ram, what's the difference between Q3 and Q4?
Q3 is the stock available, not available for sale. Sorry, not available for I can say like Q3 is not how to say this one. When you move the product to staging, you received the product to plant. The vehicle has been docked to door. Now they unloaded the product to staging, right? They have unloaded the product to staging here. Now in this case, quality is not completed, right? You know that system knows that the product belongs to quality. You know that the product belongs to quality, right?
Right.
But the product should be placed in the respective destination, right? The product should be placed in the destination, right?
Mhm.
You mean to say
Or,
once
or
the
else, or else the product should complete the quality inspection and that should be placed in the respective destination. The product is relevant to quality inspection. Quality inspection means what? You are storing it somewhere for now. You are storing it somewhere, or else you are bringing that to staging area and you are going to keep it in the respective destination of quality inspection. So you are referring that, okay, if it is receiving to staging, it is Q3. From Q3, it is moving to respective destination called Q4 here. What is F1, F2? Stock type F1, F2. We discussed this before also. What is stock type F1, stock type F2?
F2 is just arrived at staging area and it is not for sale.
No, it's reverse you are telling.
Yeah, F1 is that and F2 is available for sale and it is in final location.
F1 is ROD stock. received on dock stock. F2 is for available for sale. Why do you have F1, F2 here? They are referring that it was received to dock area, ROD means, and you are placing it in the respective destination called F2. Once it is F2, you are mentioning to system that this is for sale, available for sale. Can I sell it in F1 stock only? No, I cannot sell in F1 stock only. If I want to sell the stock, it should be in F2. The same way, then quality also will work on the same way. You are confirming that that was moved to quality, direct bin, destination bin of the quality. Then only we can take the actions. Q3 means is referring to the respective staging area. Okay, the port has been referred to the staging area. The port has been came to the staging area. From there, respective destination of quality bin. Clear?
F2.
So I maintain like
That
Putaway control.
inspection.
Sorry.
I'm asking that after Q4, that is the inspection has been done, it will this type will change to F2, right?
Exactly. Q4 to F2, it will change automatically based on the usage variation from the quality inspection. Clear?
Sorry, if you maintain Q3, then in the storage type, availability group should be 001, right, sir?
Exactly.
Okay. But we have maintained there 002 availability groups. Will it impact?
If it is impacting, it will not create warehouse task. I didn't check that availability group, but yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Let's try. Okay, that's fine. Where are you? We completed this one, right? Optimize. In the optimize, put away control indicator and stock type I need to see, and party entitled dispose. Activated 3, okay. Activated 3, or else this 2 is fine. Okay, put away control indicator and stock type. These two also fine for me, not a problem. This one should be there, okay. Why this one is for? I cannot remove this one. Why?
That is for put away.
These also for put away only.
As for normal stock, it will work where the quality is.
Exactly. For the normal stock, in the inbound or in the PO, in the normal stock, it will take this respect to line item and it will check for this put away strategy, and based on this one, it will check for this one. It will check for the respect to put away control indicator, and it will find the respect to storage type search sequence. And for quality one, it will check the respect to put away control indicator, quality type, stock type, party entitled dispose, and based on this one, it will go for QSCR search sequence. I did some small mistake here.
Party entitled to
It should be
dispose.
party entitled to dispose. Okay, because there I maintained both put away strategies and party entitled to dispose, and here it will be put away strategies and stock type, and this also you can maintain if you want. Not a big problem in this case, because this is very important now to differentiate the normal stock and quality stock. This is the very important one. The products coming without quality inspection, without quality, the products coming with quality. Now, I'm going to create a PO. I'm going to ME21N. I have two different line items, same material, okay? And I'm going to here delivery tab, and stock type is unrestricted here, okay? The first material stock type is unrestricted, and for the second line item stock type is quality inspection. Okay, I change it to quality inspection for the second line item. Okay, now both belongs to JUPL ROD, means this is for EWM location. Okay.
So for this one, this is mandatory, you meant to say, right? Selecting the stock type here in PO.
No, not mandatory. In the
No,
real time,
restricted.
the product will be maintained the quality inspection. Okay, the master data will be updated in the quality inspection, and it will take automatically. Okay, but here we don't have the quality inspection quality guys, so we cannot go ahead and debate on the quality inspection types on all those things. So that's the reason we are maintaining it manually to test it.
Okay. So what I was trying to say is, like, for the same material with two different lines, so this scenario in real time will not come. Correct, Ram?
No, most probably it will not come. Okay.
Okay.
Because same material, if the quality management is activated, it will trigger for all the materials. Okay, sorry, it's the same material every time if you're creating inbound.
Yeah,
It will check the master data normally, and based on that, it will trigger the quality inspection.
Yeah, understood.
Okay, we are good here on the and the quality inspection. Now I'm creating inbound delivery, and someone asked me, can I perform direct GR here? Okay, you can test it normally, all those things. Okay, small things you can test it from your side. Can I see?